Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Clear Hue. If you're new here, namaste. My name is Dr. Rakshita and this channel is all about skincare, wellness and makeup. So if any of these interest you, don't forget to subscribe. Now guys, today's video is going to be about pimple patches. I have done a previous video that worked really well where I tested almost all patches under 500 and that video is very comprehensive. It will show you different types of pimple patches available in the Indian market that are under 500 and whether or not they work. From those videos, I did get a suggestion for this one. It is the On The Go patch from Priveda. Then I found, I'm so sorry it fell down. Then I found two more patches. It's the Cica Clear patch from Skin Food. And then I found the Isn't Onion New Pair Spot Repair patch. And I'm very excited to try these. Now the title of the video must have said that trying out Korean skin patches. Now you'd say Priveda is an Indian company, true, but the Priveda patch is made in Korea, it's made in Seoul, so that's why I said Korean skin patches. So now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, talking about pimple patches, it is very essential for you to look out for ingredients or like a label saying that it is a hydrocolloid pimple patch. I don't think any other kind of pimple patch really works. A hydrocolloid dressing is basically like a hydrophilic dressing. That means it likes to absorb any kind of fluid and it's used medically over wounds or cavities that have fluid in them so that it absorbs the water, which is the basic principle of a hydrocolloid patch. You put it on a pimple that is broken by the it won't work on closed comedones. It won't work on pimples that are like closed. If your pimple has a lot of pus, is about to burst or has already burst, that's where pimple patches come in handy to decrease the size of it. Alright, sometimes pimple patches also come in handy if you like to pick on your acne, because then you've covered it up and now how you're gonna pick on your acne. So that's how these work as well. Now let's quickly talk about the Priveda one. I will of course include pictures of the patch, what it looks like or whether or not it worked, because I've tried all three patches that I'm going to talk about today. Now this one was my least favorite out of the three that I'm talking about today. This one, first of all, had an issue with sticking on the skin. It is a very nice like honeycomb pattern that I personally felt that texture would work and it would help like the patch stick more, but it's a thicker patch, it's not a very thin patch. So one, you'll see it on your skin, two, it doesn't stick as well. You constantly have to put pressure for it to stick, but once it's stuck, it takes like 10 minutes for it to get settled on your skin. Once it does, after that 10-15 minutes, then you're good to go and then your patch is not gonna move. Now with these patches, I did see that it did absorb a lot of pus out of my acne, but I'd say it wasn't as effective as the other two. It didn't do a good job as much. The amount of pus that my acne had, it took like applying this patch like 3 times, morning, evening and morning, 3 times for it to completely take it out. Even like the 4th time when I put it on, it still had like some pus on it. That means it's not as great. So while it works, it is good for like travel purposes, I still don't think it's the best one out there. Second one is the Skin Foods Cica Clear Spot Patch. I got these from Cult. I don't think they're available on Cult right now, but if you find them anywhere, please grab them. First of all, I got them for like 900 something. Basically they were 1,000 rupees. I got them for 500 something because of the Cult 50 coupon, and this particular packet has 110 pimple patches, which is so affordable, because the Dermaco patches, the salicylic acid ones, they retail for 500 something for just 25 patches. So tell me this isn't a good deal to you, which I really like. These patches have Cica in them. Again, it's a hydrocolloid patch. It really helps flattening out those big red inflamed pimples. Also, this is like absolutely thin. Like I said, I'll show you what the patch looks like. It's completely transparent. Like once you put it on, you can't even tell the patch is there. You'll forget because you can't see it. It is one of the most transparent patches ever. It's as good as the Dermaco one or as good as, you know, the Priveda's completely invisible patches, which were very nice. I've always rated those like a 10 on 10, and this one I feel might just be an 11 on 10, though because of the price point also, because the Dermaco ones have always been like my favorite because of salicylic acid and everything, but those are comparatively expensive in regards to these ones were more affordable, and that's what I liked about them more. Last and final one, we have Isn't Onion New Pair Spot Patch Skin Fit. Now the finish of this patch is the same as the Cica one. This was also not that expensive. I can see it was 250 rupees for 15 patches, which is expensive in comparison to the Skin Food one, which is like mind-blowing. But this again is a very good find. If you can find this anywhere, get it, because these are again completely transparent. if you can see the model's face on here, that small, I don't know, let me just zoom in, see, that's how transparent the patch actually looks like, the kind it looks in the picture, and that is how it's gonna absorb all that pus out of your acne as well. I will, like I said, include pictures or shots of when these worked on my own acne. Now this is also hydrocolloid, like I said. The one thing I saw in here, this has niacinamide, by the way, which is great for calming down your acne. It also has onion bulb extract. Now there have been 2 researches that I have seen that conclude that onion bulb extracts basically help in scar healing. I'll link down the descriptions, like the researches, if you want to read them. But this also, the same onion bulb extract is found in Mederma. Mederma is a cream that basically is used over scars, and it helps like over time fading your scar away, and the active ingredient in that is also onion bulb extract. Now, is it something that will help your acne not have a scar? Honestly, it's questionable in my head, because you put this patch on overnight, it absorbs your fluid, and then you remove it and then you throw it away. For something to work on your scars, you have to apply it regularly, you have to apply it religiously, and that is why the Mederma cream on any product that have like those onion bulb extract works. With a patch, just applying that essence once and then like just tossing it in the bin, I don't think is gonna work with scar. This works perfectly well with acne, hence this is also like a 10 on 10 patch. But I'm just explaining how the onion in here, while being a beneficial ingredient, doesn't really have a lot of effect in this particular product because of the duration. You can't keep putting on like the same patch over and over in the same place. It's not as cost effective. The better thing to do is to just get something that helps with scars like Mederma, and then just put it on like on a small scar. And I don't think this in particularly on that kind of scar would work. Plus, the acne scars are generally hyperpigmentation scars. They are not like the scratch scars, the kind that, you know, your skin has full reaction with platelets and everything to form that scar. That's not happens when you have acne. That is a hyperpigmentation scar that I don't think onion bulb extract would do a lot for. But still, it's like a good ingredient for scar formation. Just in a patch, I feel like it's not as effective in a patch, but the patch in itself is really good. So if you want that, definitely get it. It is a good patch that comes at an affordable price. Now that was it for my today's video, guys. Because my older pimple patch video worked so well and I knew I had like more patches in demand, so I reviewed these for you. If there's any more patches that you think that I'd like, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.